Alright, just fixed the microphone settings. Forgot to switch them. Give me 1 second here. Forgot to switch them to where they were on, so now we are up and functioning properly. And actually going into the part that means something. So, we've got our storage area back here. Very creepy, very weird, very random, but just honestly stuff. Yeah. Like a badass globe. You know how much I would like to have this globe? Like, I've always wanted, like, have you ever seen the old school ones of these where it's a globe like this, but like you can open it and there's like whiskey in it, or like something like that? Like, I would totally love to have that. Look, you have Antarctica.
That's my hand.
But evidently the world's flat and Antarctica is the wall around the edge of the flat world, so, you know.
That's all my shit over there.
What is the purple tote?
Everything over there is mine.
All of this? What is it?
Just stuff that my mom made me move with.
Just, okay, like...
Point shoes, Christmas ornaments, stuff that wouldn't fit in my
Parkway
house.
Central High School. Oh, like,
My yearbook.
yeah. I just keep all that stuff at my place.
Yeah, my mom wouldn't let me keep it there.
Yeah,
I had like all the Christmas shit.
We'll talk about that off camera. But I like that you have all the Christmas. I smell natural gas. It's normal, but to smell it when it's around. But let's go to the heart of what we meant to go to. Oh, there it is. Oh. Alright, let's... Here, we're gonna go into the heart of what we're meant to be at down here. You don't have to, but I am. And I'm gonna go IR, and I'm gonna sit there with the K2 meter. You're not coming? It just spiked. I told you once we went in here it would. I told you. Alright, we're going to IR really quick. Okay. Come back. There, we're back to normal, okay?
No, we're not.
What are you talking about?
It was flashing. The green was flashing.
I told you it would flash when we got down here. So, we got the boiler here. Obviously, economic 111. The, Pro Series of the time. Cast iron. Fucking crazy ass bullshit. I don't know, open that. I don't know if I can. It's probably been closed too long to even open up. Can you undo any of these latches? No, okay. Alright. So, we got all the piping for that. The water heater, the boiler, whatever. So we got the K2 meter here. We're gonna set the camera down. I'm gonna turn the flashlight on my phone so that we're not in complete darkness, because I don't want Sarah to be scared. But I'm going to set the camera down and have it record us. Yep, there it jumped. I'm going to ask some questions. Sarah and I are just going to sit here. You see it, you don't want to come into this room, do you?
Mm-mm.
It feels like you don't want to be in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I told you the first time I came down here, was it not?
Mm-hmm.
As soon as you cross that threshold, it feels heavy. It feels like you're being pushed down.
Yeah, my rib cage hurts really bad.
Okay. Well, here, you hold the gate. There it went up. See? It's going up right now. It just went up to red. Anything here with us? Come touch this light in my hand. Don't tap on the wall. Come touch this. Here. Come touch this. Come on. Why'd you say oh?
Because it went up to like the orange.
When?
When you went and pulled it close to you.
Where you at? Over here? Hang on, let me see. No, you're not. You're over here. Okay. Look, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set this down, okay? I'm gonna set this right here. I can already see it jumping. Make the lights move again. Come on, make the lights move again. Come over here and touch this little green light. See, and it's not, see, my camera can't even set it off, see? Like, that's it against the battery. I can't set it off, so it's not. I need you to come, please. I need you to come and make that light move. I'm gonna set my camera down, okay? Just for a second. Actually, here, will you hold it just like that? Just keep it, your fingers over the lens. No, point it, baby, point it at the, there you go, thank you. And turn the flashlight on my phone on for you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to start the Necrophonic app. Okay. Hang on. Is that enough light for you?
Mm-hmm.
You can still see the light out there if you look behind you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to turn that. Okay. I'm going to take this little light and I'm going to put it up here, right next to this.
Mm.
Yep. That might be my cell phone. So we're going to go ahead and debunk that and call it my cell phone. Or maybe not.
It's still pretty close to it.
Yeah, but it's like any of these objects I set it on. Let's see if it does the same thing. If I set it there again. Yeah, it's pulses. That's okay. Is that far enough away? Okay. So I'm gonna try to talk to you and anyone else here that wants to talk. But no, when I talk to you, you can't follow me. You stay here. You can't come back to where I go. It's impossible. You can't even try. Okay, that's different. Right? You're not going to be able to come back to where I go, okay? I don't care what you are. I don't care who you are. You can't. It's not possible for you. I've made it that way. I see you. I see you. I see you playing. That's fine. Here, how about you start talking to me, okay? Talk to me. Who is the oppressive... Before I can even finish, it fucking yelled at me. Who is the oppressive force here that likes to keep spirits like treasures? Sure. Sure and yep. Yeah, I know you do. I want to know what your name is. I think I just got some orbs. Is there anyone here that would like to talk? Come touch this green light, or come by me. Hi. Come talk to me. Talk to me. I come in peace. I'm not here to hurt you. I'm not here to do anything bad. I just want to talk to you. I heard no one. I heard here. Okay, who's here? I heard Gary? Shut up. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna move this green light. I'm gonna move it to the floor, okay? I'm gonna put it right underneath what you're talking into. And I just watched it move. Look. The same thing you're talking into. Here. The same thing you're talking into. Just below it is a green light. Come touch it. Are you a girl? Are you a woman or a man? Are you a woman or a man? Man. Okay. So, Is there someone named Angela or Angelina here? What did that sound like to you?
Can't decipher.
Can you come and just move this light for me? See, just said light. That was plain as day. It just said light. Now it's silent. I think it's here. Now it's speaking backwards. Yeah. I will bring it. You know I will, because I've already brought it to you, because you're a bitch. Where do you want me to come to? Come, if you're real, come right where I'm pointing. I just did it as I touched it. Right where I'm pointing, and make this light move. Keep making it move. It's a good job. Keep making it move. Keep making this light move. That sounded like her. That's the voice I've heard. It only came through really short though. There you go. There you go. Keep making it move. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Look, make this green light move right here. You don't have to. I'm not telling you to. You can say no. That's okay. But I would appreciate it if you made the light move. All you have to do is come by it and stand close to it or touch it. Can you do that for me, please? What? What's wrong? Do you feel like there's something behind you? Here, stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here.
I don't want to.
What? You don't want to what?
Stand there.
What's going on that you don't want to do? What's...
I have anxiety. I don't like this. Freaking out.
Okay, look, I'm about to leave. Can you please make the light move for me? One more time, okay? Make this light move one more time for me, please. Whoever you are, whatever you are, come close to this box. I heard you just say don't. Here. I don't want you to be uncomfortable, babe, so I don't... Dark. See, I just said it again. That's twice in a row. Here, I'm gonna grab this. Here, if you're around, hey, will you please make these lights move? True blood. True blood.
I didn't hear that. Oh my god.
It just said True Blood. Now it just said yup. It just said True Blood and it just said yup. Okay, I am now closing this session. You may not follow me. You must stay here. You have no power over me. I am leaving. I will be back, and I promise I will talk to you again. I promise. But I have to leave for now, and I will be back, okay?